It's an interesting question. Can you automatically have Gmail automatically mark all messages as read when sending out on an away or the vacation responder? Well, the answer is no. You can't automatically do that. But I can show you a tactic that you may be able to use. You have to be careful, but you may be able to use to make this happen. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I can go to Settings, and under Settings, see All Settings. I can come down here, and here's my vacation responder. So when I turn on the vacation responder, click Turn On, and hit Save, then the next thing I have to do is go to Filters and Blocks. And I have to create a new filter. Create a new filter. And here's what the new filter will look like. I'm going to look for all the messages that show up for me, or, capital Or, to info@Burris Consulting, or to tlburris@teddyburris.com. And we'll find all those emails that come in. As they come in, I'm going to create this filter. Here's what I'm going to have it do. In the filter, I'm going to say mark as read. Now I can click on also apply to matching existing. There's one right here. And if this works right, that should go away. Create filter. Now this should go away. I'm not sure why it didn't. It might be a timing issue. So if I hit refresh, and now you can see it was a timing issue that I had to be patient, and it's marked that message as read. Now again, subsequent messages coming in. Let me go send one in. So now I've sent a new message to this account, and it should show up here on the top, and boom, there it is. There's the message. You can see it showed up right here at 1:18, and look at the time, it's 1:18. So that filter that I created automatically marked the message as read. Now, if you're going to use the autoresponder and this filter to mark all messages as read while you were away, then what you're going to have to do is go back to Settings, see All Settings, scroll down to the bottom here, turn this off, which it would have been on, hit Save, and then you have to go to, remember to go to Filters, in this case go all the way to the bottom, and I have to delete that right there, and delete it, so that it no longer marks any other incoming messages as read. And by the way, when you do this, be aware of the fact anytime you make changes to settings, especially when you turn on or turn off or add or remove filters, it takes a little bit of time for it to load. But I would also like to remind you this. I can set a filter for all mail coming into tlburris@teddyburris.com or tlburris@burrisconsulting.com. But if the message got sent and shows up in my inbox with a different email, which could be the case, depending upon forwarding rules, etc., then it's not going to get every email that comes in. There's an idea that you could use if your goal is to mark all messages as read while you're away. Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful to you.